Today we are going to discuss about ideal word count for summarized spoken text, summarized written text and for write essay in your PTE examination. Firstly, for write essay, POSA is asking you to write anywhere between 200 to 300 words in 20 minutes. Because of that, some of the candidates are only writing up to 210 words. You need to write more than that. The ideal word count for essay is between 240 to 250 words. Because if you write more words, there is a possibility that you can get more scores for your writing module. Secondly, for summarized spoken text, the word count which POSA is asking you is between 50 to 70 words. Most of the candidates are only writing up to 53 words. You need to write more than that. You need to write up to 65 and 70 words. It is proven that those who are writing for summarized written text, those who are writing more than 65 words, they are probably getting more scores for modules like writing and for listening. Finally, for summarized written text, there is no specific word count for this section. You need to write anywhere between 40 to 45 words. It's better to get more scores. For more tips and tricks, join Ashberry institutions above to fly.